Okay, this is a follow-up video on water level indicator, ancient technology. Brilliant in my opinion. I don't know where I got this idea, but it is a great idea. So this is just a simple clear tube attached to a brass angle 90 down in the bottom of this tank. This is your typical 20-gallon over the wheel well tank. It's kind of hard to see how much water is in these because I mean, you can kind of see it right here, but that's only because the light's good. Normally, you cannot see the water level. So I cut this slot in here to kind of, in the beginning to try and see if I could see how much water was in there, but you just can't see. So I just attached this clear tube to the bottom. This was just a drain hose originally. And I thought, what if I just stuck that up in there? Ancient technology for leveling forms and foundations and stuff like that. And of the old way. And so I just attached this. I put this little indicator in here, which you probably don't really need because you can clearly see the water level, and it works great. So I use this to fill up my tank so I know how much water I'm putting in, and I figured out that this is halfway. This is 10 gallons, so this is obviously 20 gallons. This needs to be adjusted a touch, but it's pretty accurate. And this is just temporary. I'm going to put some etch some marks in there for permanent. But this is a great way to figure out how to see how much water's in your tank easily. We all kind of know what's in our tank when we go on a trip, but how much is left. So this is a quick way to come in the back. You can look and see, okay, I'm half, I'm 3/4, I'm down. If you know you're down in here, you've only got a few gallons left. And yes, it'd be nice to have a digital display up front, but you got more power situation, you've got more wires run, you've got, it's, and the technology for the electronic or digital water level indicators is expensive, $200-300 to get a decent one. And I tried a couple cheaper ones, they don't work. You got to buy the good ones. So this I found this is the way to do it for me. This is great. It's easy to do, and it's foolproof with no maintenance. The only failure point would be this joint down here, this connection down here. But you do a good job there. In confidence, use brass, and it's golden. This is epic. This gives us that peace of mind in your 20 hours deep in Baja.